Hi everyone, welcome to MASH Math. We are going to study chapter 14 statistics, exercise 14.2, question 6. So the question 6 is, a student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods each of 3 minutes and summarized it in the table given below. Find the mode of the data. So here data is given to us, number of cars and the frequency. So how many minutes? Each of 3 minutes. Okay, there are 7 minutes between 0 to 10 cars passed in 3 minutes. So here actually 100 period, right? Total 100 periods of each 3 minutes. So per period is 3 minutes. And so how many total period? 100 periods he used. And what he was doing, noting the how many cars are passing by. So that's what given to us the data here, number of cars and the frequency. So there are 7 periods where 0 to 10 cars passed. In 14 periods of time, 10 to 20 cars passed. In 13 periods of time, 20 to 30 cars passed. So that's the data is given to us. So what we have to find out? We have to find out the mode. So I have just copied down here number of cars and the frequency here. So frequency is Fy. Okay, for mode, what we have to do? The formula is what for mode? L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So first for mode, what we do normally, we see what is the highest frequency here, which is the highest frequency. 20 is the highest frequency. So this becomes our F1. And then above 1 becomes F0, below 1 becomes F2. And between here, answer will come. This is our model class, 40 to 50. So answer will be coming between this, where F1 is there, that is our model class. So our answer will be between 40 to 50. So you can write down here, as I have already told you, kindly whenever mode is asked, kindly you write down the explanation of the formula. You need to write down L means lower limit of the model class, H means class interval of the model class, and F1 means frequency of the model class, F0 means the preceding frequency of the class preceding the model class, frequency of the class succeeding the model class. This explanation you need to write down and write the value as well. So here I will only write the value. The model class is, our model class is 40 to 50, and then the lower limit is 40, and then F1 is 20, F0 is 12, that is preceding the model class, F2 is succeeding the model class. Then what else? H is class interval, that is 50 minus 40 will give us 10. So all the values we have, just put it in the formula. So L is 40, this is plus. Then F1 is 20 minus F0 is 12. 2 into F1 is 20 minus F0 is 12 minus F2 is 11 into H is 10. So 40 plus 20 minus 12 will give us 8. 2 into 20 will be 40, minus 12 minus 11 will give us 23. Whenever you have both the minus, you have to add, but the sign remains the same. So again 40 plus 8 into 10 will give us 80. 40 minus 23 will give us 70. So you can do the division. 80 you divide with 17. So we get 4 times 17 will give us 68 minus 2, 1. So we need to add 0 here. So we put the decimal. Then 7 times 17 will give us 119. 10 minus 9 will be 1. So 1 is there, so we'll have to add again 0. 1 0 also will not be enough. And after decimal, there's no much value of it, so that's enough for us. So you can write 40 plus 4.7. So 40 plus 4.7 will give us 44.7. And what is this? Are the number of cars that he observed. The highest frequency is 20 period. In that, the number of cars mostly occurred was, so I told you answer will come between 40 to 50. So you see, mostly the number of cars were 44.7 cars were passing. So this is our mode. So that's it. Thank you.